So I found this app called Vita, and it's a free app. Okay, so you open the app, go to this plus sign, that's a new project, and then I'm gonna export the clips that I want, which is these two. I'm gonna trim all of this to the lyrics. So this is, I guess I'm just a play date to you. Now the pillow is my blackout part, so I'm gonna cut this, press split and cut this and delete it because I don't need it. So I'm gonna split this, delete this, and now I want this to be in slow-mo. So I'm gonna split it again, click on the clip that I want to be a slow-mo, and then go to speed and then decrease it. So once you play it, see, this is the slow-mo speed they show you, and that's it. Between these two clips I want a transition, so I'm gonna go back, and then this transition icon is there, so you have a bunch of options to choose from between the two clips, but I'm just going to go for a simple black. I'm just going to combine a few slow-mo shots of me, and we are done. Now we are going to add some template. Let's go to effect. If you click on effect, they have so many options, like between all of these. Like there's basic, there's particles, they have the aesthetic bling type things, they have motion effects, like all of these that look very cool, something like this. I think retro and frame are my favorites, and I think I'm going to click on this. And then once you're done, you can just click on export, click on the highest quality, and it'll save your video to your gallery. This is a completely free app. If you want to try this app out, just click the link.